Welcome to Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2018 BMW M3 CS. This particular one has a different hood, obviously, than all the other ones. And this person came to us because it was done once before somewhere in Dallas, and the hood was seamed on the sides of the bulge in the hood. So, not a difficult hood to do, just requires a little patience. And so we're going to show you the M3 CS hood completed with no seams in it. The seams ran up this way, similar to what you would see in a package from the Expel program on a Trackhawk. You can do it without the seams. Most people do. However, there are a few that don't. To each their own. But anyway, this is fully done without any seams and wrapped. I'll show you the edges there. Everything's in. Everything goes around. You can see a little bit of it flaring right there. But let me pop the hood and show you underneath where we actually wrap it. Of course, like I like to say, for the naysayers out there that think, oh my gosh, that's just a hood that was cleaned up and shown to the world. You can see right here. So, yeah, it's really not a difficult task. I'm not going to mention who the person was that did it with the seam. It actually looked really good. They're just 10-inch long lines running down the center of the hood. But, and here's the fenders, just for spooks. You can't see the wrap line, but this is what people look for when they get a Clearbrow. They're looking for the most seamless install they can. So that's what we strive for. The BMW M3 CS is not a difficult car to do. The bottom ground effects, the splitter and carbon fibers, all one sheet all the way across, wrapped all the way under and all the way back. No gaps at all to protect that expensive piece. And that's pretty much it. So I'll keep this one short and sweet. This is mostly about the hood, where a client had some problems. Look at that carbon fiber underneath. Isn't that crazy? So, but there it is, all done. One sheet. You got a CS, let us know. We'd be happy to make it look just like this one as well here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. Have a great day.